Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. So I decided to scroll on Instagram because I was done, with Uthando Nesthembu, and I am patiently waiting for Izingane Zesthembu or anything else that I can review. And then boom, I meet who? Mara and Farah. I meet Musa Mseleku posting Mrs. Mseleku Senior. And then he captioned it the same way he captioned the post yakamakhumalo yokuthi kofa inja eyolahlwa ngoba vele ayidliwa, right? I went to the comments and I was like, this one I must see. I went to the comments expecting Mthombeni to be bashed, right? And nope, I did not get that, guys. I realized, Uguti, we all love Umacele in our own special way, because at the end of the day, her diary sessions rather are to die for. But the first controversial post, just Kuto says some case man and her mother-in-law. That's so nasty. That's so nasty. And then Unongwe says senize niyafana ethnic couple. Like umacala uzoyifela lento ye-ethnic king, guys. Don't you guys have some chill? Like ninjani kahle kahle nina ninjani. And then Oko says, my name is Busisiwe Mseleku. This is my time. This is my moment. This is my brrrr. That is if you watch Uthando Nesthembu and you follow them. Guys, even after Uthando Nesthembu is pelile, Musa Mseleku keeps us entertained and he makes sure we don't forget. At this point, the only thing that we're waiting for is 2027, We just want to get 2026 over and done with so that we can see season 10, Uthando Nesthembu. But here's a comment that I loved from Matshidiso saying, Macele, you are beautiful. Don't listen to haters. They are probably, these phones, most when you are rhythming, they will spoil your rhythm. So she says, don't listen to haters. They are probably Makhumalo's fans. Guys, no one is hating because they are somebody else's friend. People are just commenting based on what we are seeing. And I love Khumalo. I love Yeni. I love Ngwabe. I love Macele. But I review based on what they are presenting to us in that particular season. With that says, she continues to say, most of them are presumptuous, disrespectful, and obnoxious, just like their master. Oh my word. Mara Matshidiso, couldn't you just celebrate Macele without mentioning the other wife? Okay, and she continues to say, I loved her first line, but the things that she's saying now, I'm not for them. She continues to say, Team Macele is very mature and classy. No need to throw insults to someone if you don't like her. Okay, I didn't know that there was Team Macele, but nonetheless, some of you, your photos on the profile are scary, but the audacity to mock this beautiful lady. But also, girls, ladies, it is unacceptable for us to mock each other and compare each other. We're all beautiful and unique in our own godly made ways, right? And then people are assuming that everybody that is commenting here is Makhumalo's fans. And I don't know what gives them that mentality. But nonetheless, Uzipho Mgomezulu says, that woman gives me hope. Mthombeni, thank you for honoring her. Her loyalty towards you and your vision is unmatched. Siyabonga Macele, and it is unmatched. Like Umacele, guys, is there through thick and thin. Like Umacele understands why she had to be in that position, even in instances where we feel yo, this is too much, like she needs to just cut. Girl is continuing, girl is persistent. She embraced this thing yakuthi vele ngumamkhulu, She embodies. That's the word I was looking for. And then Usli says, I just love the way Mtombeni athanda ngayo his first wife. Wayeqinisile ukuthi akekho oyoshintsha the way he loves Maqele. And that's how it should be, guys, because at the end of the day, Umaqele opened the way for him to have this polygamy in the first place. And I am so happy for Yena. I can't read the other comments in Zulu because Shem, I think you guys have heard ukuthi yo angeke. And then Massimo says, cooking how to hurt the Mzumbe train. Hayi kodwa nina. You see, it's us in the comments that are making this thing bigger than it is and putting these ladies against each other because we are so mean. God forgive us. And then Amali says, I need season 10 on our screens. As in yesterday. As the captions now when Amali, like I want season 10. Like I wish I could fast forward live right now so that we can know what is happening in Mzumbe. And I am with everybody on TikTok that is saying people at Mzumbe are very secretive. I don't like the Mzumbe gang. Who dare lives in Mzumbe and doesn't tell us what's happening in the Mseleko family? Every time we are obligated to guess. It's us guessing left, right, and center. No one dares to whisper and tell us a secret ukuthi manje sesila, manje ngikhamekile mina. I want to know ukuthi what is happening. No one is telling us, right? And then Ulwanke says, you guys have a lot of money, but you don't like the gym. Ah, please, guys. Guys, do you know Kuti and then she says, Jonga, umacele ukhuluphele kangakanani ubuso guys, let me tell you something that you don't know, ne? I, Disebo, feel uncomfortable in my weight. I have gained extreme weight and I am uncomfortable in it because I have been slender or thin for the longest of time and I'm struggling with the current weight that I'm in. However, there are people that are comfortable in their weight and they dress accordingly. If you see Mseleko's wives dressing up, like those women dress up like no one's business and they make sure when they show up, they show off. So you cannot come here and try to body shame and think we are going to clap hands. No, that we're not going to do. And Nhlanhla PM says, a lot of women angry at the wife or ma engashadile. How do you marry someone else's husband and expect to be equal to the first wife? Clock it. And that's her slogan. Angishadanga indoda yomunye umuntu. But guys, I'm honestly loving the content that Umusa is serving us. He did post other wives. I am going to do videos about the other wives as well. But I was mostly surprised about the caption that he used on this one because I thought that caption was barging exclusive to Uma Khumalo, kanti it's not. He used the caption both on the post that he posted for Uma Khumalo, no Maqele, but on Uma Ngwabe, no Mayeni, he used a different caption. What do you guys think? I love Umaqele, guys. I think she's a good wife. Yes, I don't like how sometimes she addresses issues in the diary session rather than face to face, but I do love her and I am for her. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is your girl Adisebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.